Welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you reasons as to why I believe that Matic is going to give us a break above the $0.9 mark in the next coming hours or days. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Matic is holding below a key area of resistance at around the $0.784 mark, and the moment we manage to break above it, we can expect a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and fully maximize our target areas to the. We have also been seeing a bit of a breakdown move here on the charts, where we have been breaking down in the formation of this wave 4 into the minimum retracement area highlighted here on the charts using this red target area, and all this is playing out after we fully maximized minimum target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, which also played out after we saw a very nice impulse to the upper side, which all started from the 10th of June when we had that massive crash, giving us a low at around the $0.52 mark, where we have been seeing a very nice recovery to the upside in this 1-2 setup first, fully maximizing minimum target areas before we started our Elliot wave structure, where we have now peaked in the formation of this wave 1, seen a breakdown move in the formation of the wave 2, peaked in the wave 3, and we have now seen a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4. And in my previous videos, I have been discussing the minimum target area for the fourth wave, which I have highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that I also came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, giving me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.5, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And I'm expecting that Matic is going to give us a very nice reaction to this target area, start gearing up, since there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the fourth wave, where we have been breaking down in this ABC corrective structure. And the moment Matic is able to break above resistance at around the $0.784 mark, maybe give us a successful retest, continue gearing up, see a break above the wave 3 high at around the $0.8913 mark, then that will be enough confirmation that we have started an impulse in the formation of this wave 5, and giving you minimum target areas for the fifth wave to the upper side by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. I get a minimum target area for the fifth wave at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $0.9804 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 5 to the upper side to do. And in case we start gearing up impulsively, there are high chances that we can also see a break above the $1 mark, where we can also manage to break above resistance at around the $1 mark and maybe continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. And that is what I'm expecting on the short term here on the Matic chart. And if I zoom out on the charts to also give you my long term analysis, still basing it on the Elliot wave structures, here on the charts you can see that after seeing our lows in June last year, that was at around the $0.32 mark down here, we started gearing up impulsively in this 5 wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $1.3 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, where we have seen this breakdown move in this ABC corrective structure, fully maximizing minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. And there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and soon we can start gearing up impulsively once more in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 3, where I'm expecting Matic to get us above the $2 mark in the formation of that wave 3. And before all that plays out, we need to see a few confirmations on the charts, and the first one is a complete 5 wave structure on the charts. And the moment we see a complete 5 wave structure here on the charts, maybe followed by an ABC corrective structure and a break above significant highs, then that is enough confirmation that Matic is now starting that impulsive move in the formation of that wave 3. And that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term and also on the long term here on the Matic chart. Also taking a look at the MACD, that is the indicators on the RSI. We are trading at around the 47 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, though we are seeing a sharp decrease in the selling momentum, suggesting that soon we might be able to print a bullish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.